Once upon a time, in a sparkling blue pond, there lived a little fish named Finn. Finn was small, with shiny scales that glistened in the sunlight. He loved to swim around the pond, exploring every corner. But there was one thing that always caught his attention, a mysterious ripple near the edge of the pond. Every day, Finn would watch the ripples and wonder what was beyond the pond. His friends, the other fish, didn't seem to care. "It's just the edge, Finn," they'd say. "Nothing interesting out there." But Finn couldn't stop thinking about it. "I have to find out what's making those ripples," he decided one day, his curiosity bubbling up inside him. With a flick of his tail, Finn swam toward the edge of the pond. As he got closer, he saw something he had never noticed before, a frog sitting on a lily pad, bouncing up and down and creating ripples in the water. "Hello," Finn called out. "Are you making those ripples?" The frog, whose name was Fred, looked down and smiled. "Yes, I am. I like to hop on the lily pad and make ripples. Do you want to try?" Finn was excited. "I can't hop like you, but I can swim," he said. And with that, he began swirling in the water, creating tiny waves that rippled out in circles. Fred laughed. "Look at that, you're making your own ripples." As Finn played with Fred, making ripples and chasing them through the water, he realized something important. The edge of the pond wasn't scary at all. It was full of new friends and fun surprises. Finn and Fred spent the rest of the afternoon hopping and swirling, creating a whole pond of ripples together. From that day on, Finn was no longer curious about the mysterious ripples because he had learned that sometimes the best adventures happen when you follow your curiosity.